All right, so I was asked if you can reuse your tumblers. If after you're done with your tumbler, if you're sick of this tumbler, if you can reuse it, and you can. Best thing to do is, depending on what you've used to seal it, is use a heat gun, or sometimes if you're lucky you can get underneath. This one I have loosened it a bit just so I don't have to pick at it too much, but use your heat gun on it and then just put something underneath the edge of this, and then just, these are not the best tweezers for this, but just pull up your seal and then just empty your tumbler out into, it's best not to put it down your sink because some of these have stuff in them. Put it into your garbage or something that's safe to put it into. But that's it, just dump it out and then rinse it under the sink. So I'll show you one that I did already. It was another one of these magic potion tumblers. That's one I just took this off of. And this is one that I've cleaned out, and I've got water in there right now. So it's got a little bit of color left in it, but it's still got some water in there. I'm gonna rinse the water out again, and then I'm gonna put some alcohol in here and flush it out again, and you should be able to reuse this tumbler. You go, and now I'm going to rinse this out with some alcohol and then just let it dry out for a few days, and you'll have a tumbler that you can reuse. I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope it's helpful, and thanks so much for watching.